Hey dear guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram add to broadcast channel trick. Now, to use this Instagram add to broadcast channel trick, you need to access the hidden creation menu inside your direct message using a professional account. All you have to do is you must switch your profile setting to professional creator or business account, and once you do so, your profile layout also must be set to the public, and you have to have audience reach must pass a regional minimum tier, which may vary dynamically between 5,000 plus or 10,000 depending on the localized regional rollouts. Now once you do this, all you have to do is go to your DM section and tap on the compose option at the top right corner. From there, look directly above your standard group chat menus, then tap the create a broadcast channel option. From there, provide an explicit catchy title, then select your targeted structural audience filter, then toggle the show channel on profile configuration and switch to keep it pinned directly beneath your main bio link. Once you tap create in the top right corner to deploy the chat from the framework, you should be able to type in messages on your broadcast channel. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.